24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know that there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activity. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Let us learn about the vowels. There are 26 letters in English alphabet, out of which 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are also called helping letters because we cannot make words without vowels. For example, cat, bed, sip, rod, nut. All these words have vowels in them. Tell the children to say their names. Even their names have vowels in them. Recognition of vowels and sounds activity. Encourage the children to repeat the 5 vowels after you. Now focus on the sound of each vowel. A sounds like A. E sounds like E. I sounds like E. O sounds like O. U sounds like A. Writing vowels to complete the words. Encourage the students to open their books, look at the given pictures, and write the missing vowels to complete the words. After completing a word, children will say its name by reading it aloud. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.